tomato spaghetti. I think you'll really like it. It's a great casserole and my husband's been looking forward to it. So if you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. I am now browning my ground beef, and I have onion and garlic in there, as well as salt and pepper. I've also got my oven heating to 350 degrees, and I've got my spaghetti cooking in my Instant Pot. So, as soon as this gets brown, I'll be right back. Okay, my meat's brown, and now I'm going to drain it. Now, I doubled my recipe because I figure if you're going through the trouble to make a casserole, you might as well make two and freeze one of them. So one of those days when I don't feel like cooking, all I have to do is pull it out of the freezer and stick it in the oven. That's draining. I'm going to open these cans. Got 2 cans of Rotel. Like I said, I'm doubling the recipe. So it's 2 cans of Rotel, 2 cream of chicken soup, and 16 ounces of processed cheese. And now I just have to find my can opener. This can opener gets moved around so much. Put your meat back in the pan. And you want to add 2 packages of taco seasoning, in which I make my own. So mine is 3 tablespoons equals 1 pack, so I'll put in 6 tablespoons. Let this cook for 5 more minutes. Stir it in there real good. Now we want to add in our Velveeta or processed cheese. I usually use store brand. Stir in our soup. And our Rotel tomatoes. You just want to stir constantly, mixing everything up, and just cook until the Velveeta melts. stove off and let this finish. It's almost melted. You can just see a few chunks here and there. And I'm going to get my spaghetti. It'll help it finish melting. Stir in our spaghetti. And I just realized I forgot to grate my cheese. I'll divide this between the two bowls, and I will top it with cheese. I think what I have is Colby, but you can use whatever you want. Cheddar would be really good. The Colby's what I have. Pepper jack would be good. I've sprayed my pans. Maybe I have enough for that too. For another salt. I'll be back. Okay, I got some cheese grated for this one. And I'm supposed to cook it for 30 minutes until it's heated through, but it never takes quite that long. Everything's hot, and it may take longer cooking them frozen. And those I'm not cooking. I'm just going to put them in the freezer, wrap them up in foil and saran wrap, and put them in the freezer. And this one will probably take about 20 minutes to cook through. I'll be back. Here it is. It looks delicious. It smells good too. And I actually have 2 more to go in the freezer. So it worked out better than I thought it would. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye.